Hey everyone, it's Megan here with another Mondays with Megan tech tip for you. This week we're going to talk about how to have more efficient internet searches, so stay tuned. Alright, so this week we're going to talk about how to have better or more efficient internet searches. By using the minus operator or clicking the minus key and then typing a word, you let Google or your search engine know that you do not want to include searches that pull that word. So, for example, a lot of words have double meanings. So, if you Google caterpillar and you want to learn about the little creature that turns into a butterfly, and you hit search and you get a bunch of information and links to Caterpillar the company, you can simply do caterpillar and then minus key incorporated, and it'll pull out all of the results that have to do with the company Caterpillar instead of the little insect you're trying to learn more about. I hope this tip is super helpful. For more tech tips, head to the YouTube channel, click subscribe, or go to easyit.com. I'll talk to you all next week.